Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for iPhone and iPad users: the Lightning to SD card camera reader by Untvie. Let me tell you, folks, if you're in the market for the best SD card reader with Lightning connectivity, look no further. This little gadget is a game-changer for photographers, videographers, and anyone who loves capturing moments on their DSLR or action camera. Let's break down why the Untvie Lightning to SD card camera reader stands out from the crowd. First off, it's Apple MFI certified. That means you can trust its compatibility and performance with your precious Apple devices. Plus, it's lightning fast, with data transfer speeds reaching up to 20 megabytes per second to 30 megabytes per second. You can say goodbye to waiting around for your photos and videos to transfer. But wait, there's more. This handy gadget supports two-way transmission, allowing you to effortlessly transfer content between your SD card and your iPhone or iPad. And with support for standard photo formats like JPEG and RAW, as well as SD and HD video formats including H.264 and MPEG-4. It's got you covered no matter what type of media you're working with. And talk about compatibility. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone 14 or still holding onto your trusty iPhone 6, this SD card reader has got your back. It's also compatible with a range of iPads, so you can easily view and edit your photos and videos on the big screen. And the best part? It's plug and play. No need to fuss with third-party apps or complicated setups. Simply plug it into your device and you're good to go. Plus, with its sleek and compact design, you can take it with you wherever you go. And if you ever run into any issues, rest assured knowing that Untvie is committed to providing top-notch customer service. They'll be there to assist you every step of the way. So there you have it, folks. The Untvie Lightning to SD card camera reader is the best SD card reader Lightning solution on the market. Don't let those precious moments sit on your SD card any longer. Unlock them with ease using this fantastic gadget. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy shooting!